Hey, what's up guys? MKBHD here, back with a video for the Droid Dog YouTube channel and droiddog.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at something called the Circle Battery Widget Reborn. And it's a really great application. I'll have a link to it. It's in the Droid Dog post, but this is a bit of a suite of things that I actually started using a lot on all my devices. Now this is the main part that you get. It is called a widget because you get a circular battery widget, and you can find some things like this in the market. But this is also resizable, of course, so you can make it huge, make it take up a whole bunch of space. Of course, I don't actually really use the widget a lot when I am using my device, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. But you can see it is called Battery Widget Reborn Beta, and it has this pretty awesome application going on here. So you might have noticed when I had my notification panel down, you have how long it's going to take for your phone to be empty and the current battery temperature. This is pretty neat, and this happens because of the application that comes with it. So right now I have 79% battery left, and you can see down here we have some toggles for power settings, so I can turn on Bluetooth or turn off data or airplane mode or whatever I want to do down here in order to save power. And that's pretty neat. You can get that by either tapping on that or tapping on the widget. We're going to go ahead and scroll over here to the next thing, and this is our battery history. You have something similar to this in Android, but then you give some more information down here. So the current cycle says I'm discharging at about 1% every 11 minutes and 11 seconds. And fully charged battery, after I've used this for maybe 2 weeks now, usually lasts me about 20 hours and 12 minutes on one full battery. And that's because I've been using my tablet a lot more, but I really get quite a lot of battery out of this Galaxy S3. And also when I'm charging, the battery usually finishes charging 2 hours and 50 minutes after I plug it in. And there's two more tabs here. This one you can use to decide how the notification looks. So I have the Nexus 7 over here for a reason, but basically you can choose if it shows just the white text with the percentage, or if it shows like the actual circle with the estimated percentage. So I just have the white circle, the white text, which looks a little cleaner to me. You can also show the amount of remaining time, or the time it'll be when your battery is empty based on the estimates, or just the voltage or the temperature. So you can have two things and you can pick which two show up here. So I have the amount of time remaining and the current temperature, and I think that's pretty neat. And all the way here on the right you can just choose if it's Fahrenheit or Celsius and have it in flight mode at night. The last thing is there's a shortcut here to the actual battery usage, so you can see how much the typical Android look for your screen on time and all sorts of things like that. But I want to show you a look at the Nexus 7 because I have it in my notifications up here in the Nexus 7, and the neat part of this is the newest version supports the expanded notifications. So you'll actually be able to choose, if I get this in focus, what notifications, what toggles you get down here when you expand the notification. So as you can see down here I have the temperature, again, how long it'll take before it's empty. If I expand it here, I can just turn off Wi-Fi or put it in flight mode, or do a couple of other things with it. So I'll be able to choose what kind of things I have in the notification area right here. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, background sync, or flight mode. Those are the things that you'll be able to change. So there you go. That is the Circle Battery Widget Reborn. It is actually one of my favorite applications right now. Definitely recommend trying it out. It's in the Google Play Store right now. I believe it's paid, but I'll have links to all that stuff in the Droid Dog post. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.